This Windermere Real Estate / Whatcom Incorporated property video is presented by Brian Southwick. Birch Bay opportunity for a nice size home site with shop / garage and outbuilding. Home in need of leveling or replace with newer model. Not far from all Birch Bay amenities including Birch Bay State Park, restaurants, shopping, waterslides, new Birch Bay Berm project now completed, and a new Birch Bay Community Park scheduled for completion this next year. This park-like setting is one of a kind and will offer a very special private and serene location and experience. Bring the RV or motorhome and use as a snowbird. Works very well here. For more information, review the details below.